Hi, dear parents and students, and my dear friends. I welcome you for a small discussion on industrial economy after COVID 19 and its scope for engineers in the next 5 years. Coming to Indian economy, if we study manufacturing industries contribute 18% for the Indian economy, and other sectors also you can view where manufacturing has a major share 18%, so wherein mechanical engineers contribute for these sectors. Then again, in on December 31st, 2019, Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman announced 102 lakh crore in the next coming 5 years in various sectors. Let us see energy. She has announced that is energy means current. Public they need to provide the current. For producing current, they are going to invest around 24 lakh crore rupees. So current production is by majorly mechanical engineers, wherein lot of turbines are engaged, whether it is a nuclear power plant, thermal power plant, or natural gas power plant, wherein lot of machineries are involved. So manufacturing of machineries and maintaining will be the job of mechanical engineers. Similarly, they are also central government also is interested to invest 19 lakh crore rupees for building the roads. Then again, in railway department, they are going to invest around 13 lakh crore rupees. Similarly, in various fields, they have investments wherein the opportunities for civil and mechanical engineers are more. Industrial infrastructure development, they are going to invest around 3 lakh crore rupees. So this is the central government invest in next 4 years. Then GDP has gone down due to corona, as we already know. Then we cannot keep quiet. So the government has to plan. Then again, private sectors also will have to plan to improve our GDP. G20 in Business Today, we have a recent report. G20, that is it is association for 20 countries, developing countries. So wherein out of 20 countries, only 3 countries like China, India and Indonesia will come out of this corona impact and improve their economy in the coming future. So everybody are telling mechanical branch has don't have any scope right now, since automobile sales are down. Automobile sales are down. So just it is an opinion, friends. See, the Economic Times and Business Today newspapers, they have reported recent report, and according to this report, Maruti Suzuki had sold 93,000 vehicles in August 2019, but in 2020 it has sold around 1,13,000 vehicles. Surely there is a 20,000 vehicles plus for the Maruti company. Hyundai, it had sold 38,000 vehicles. Now it in the August 2020 it has sold 45,000 vehicles. So again, increase in the sales of Hyundai company. Mahindra retained the same sales. Toyota 5,000 vehicles less it has sold, but this reduction is gained by another company called that is Kia Motors. It has sold more Seltos in place of Innova. MG Hector, MG Motor India, it had sold only 2018 vehicles in August 2019, but surely 800 more vehicles it has sold. So all these statistics show that the automobile sales have increased. So then again, these are the newspaper reports. Maruti has increased 20% sales. Then Tata Motors has increased around 22%. Then Kia Motors 74% sales have increased. Means automobile is booming after Corona. Then one more important report by the Business Today. That is announcement by central government transport minister, that is Gadkari ji, on September 5, 2020, that vehicle scrappage policy. So according to this policy, 9 million vehicles will go off the roads by the end of 2021. Why? Because all these vehicles are Bharat stage 2 and Bharat stage 3 vehicles. So they are polluting vehicles. So all these vehicles have to be replaced with Bharat stage 6 vehicles. So the new vehicle are to be manufactured. These many vehicles will be have to be manufactured, and surely there will be scope for mechanical engineers in the coming days. So then again, from 24 companies are planning to shift their production units to India because of their political issues in China. So they have announced on August 17, reported by Business Today. So surely there will be employments for mechanical engineers in future. So now auto firms relocating out of China to mitigate geopolitical risks, announced by Kenichi Ayukawa. Who is he? Who is president of Indian Association for Automotive Components Manufacturers. So he's telling he want to bring at least few of those companies to India. So surely there will be an increase in the employment for mechanical engineers. Nitin Gadkari to inaugurate 35 highway projects in Madhya Pradesh. Investment by the central government is 9,400 crores. Surely employments will be for civil and mechanical engineers. So now centers manufacturing, that is government of India, is giving a push for manufacturing in 24 sectors, and it is aiming at a 20 lakh crore output in next 5 years, announced by Commerce and Industrial Minister. So Coal India Limited, it has a plan to invest 1.22 lakh crores by 2023-24, and Studs helmet manufacturing company is investing 200 crores to open two new factories. And Mittal company expands. Mittal is a steel company which want to expand its footprints in India. Then L&T, it's a big heavy earth moving equipment manufacturer. So it was importing parts of their machines from the China. Now it want to stop its import from the China, and L&T is planning to set up its own manufacturing units in India. Surely there will be employments for mechanical engineers in coming days. So these are all again reports by various newspapers. Similarly, Indian Oil Corporation is going to invest 2 lakh crore rupees for its future projects. So then again, Wipro has got a huge contract from an automotive company, Marelli. Then Bharat Petroleum Corporation is opening a new LPG plant. See, now everybody is behind software. Okay, so IT companies now they have seen more employees without projects, and margin may get a hit. So it is reported by the Economic Times newspaper. So now here Infosys has announced that recently it will employ 12,000 American workers over the next 2 years. So everybody are dreaming that after completion of computer science I will be software engineer and I want to move ahead to work in US to earn in terms of dollars. They might be dreaming, but Trump has brought on rule, either give employability to Americans or you quit from our country. So in line with his decision, Infosys is hiring the employees from America itself. So this is the point to be thought by the people who are opting software course. HAL has opened a new airport management course for BE mechanical students. These are few central government openings. See, NHPC Limited on GATE, it is recruiting 21 students. And then again vacancies, 35 vacancies for mechanical engineers. Then Kudremika Iron Ore Limited announced in 2020 itself its vacancies. So mechanical are 11 posts, then electrical 6 posts, electronics 6, then again computer science are only 2 posts, mining 2 posts. Total posts they have announced 25 posts they have announced. So wherein you look into the share by mechanical for mechanical branch. So 11 vacancies are there. Wherever you go, always the job share will be more for mechanical branch. Oil and Natural Gas Limited has announced its vacancies. Then again NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. So again it has also announced through the GATE. So wherein the vacancies are more vacancies are for mechanical engineers. Mechanical has got 45 vacancies. So like this, Indian Oil Corporation, then Nalco has announced, then BEML has announced vacancies. When this is again there are if after BE mechanical you can go to higher studies, that is MTech, and pursue your career as a professor in engineering colleges. So then we have our proud alumni. So a very simple student from our college, that is Samarth Herel. So he is now assistant manager at Maruti Suzuki India Limited. So he is a pass out of 2017 from Department of Mechanical Engineering at KLE College of Engineering and Technology. So it's a then again Pravan MD, design engineer, working in Germany for Quest Global. Tejas Chandran, working for Autoliv in Sweden. Vinay Chiniwala, robotic simulation engineer, working in England. Amol Chandke, working for Tata Technologies. Then Magdum, working for Bosch. Ramesh Landge, a very ordinary guy who is 2018 pass out from our institute. He has founded his own company in Pune. He is the founder of Wolf 3D printing services. Then Prabhanjan Ramesh from Hyderabad. So he is doing research. Then Sujay Patil, working for Tata Motors Dharwad. Srishal Malgar, so working for Bosch company. Vikas Magdum, Tata Batteries. Then Vivek Narwade, Michelin company. Then Prashant Kondekar, sales engineer. Then Rakesh Desai, he is a design engineer and pursued MS from Brunel University, London. Then Ayappa Kurunali, he is a suspension design engineer at Renault Nissan Technology, Chennai. Sampath Orgal, working for aerospace. Then Abhinandan Kole, product design development engineer at Mahindra Rise. All these are our recent pass out students who have pursued a very good career with HCL Technologies. Bhima Shankar, working as a software engineer. Then Praveen Marnoor, so he is with TCS now, but BE Mechanical, even though he has got placed in TCS from our campus. Then Mantesh Jadki, working for Amazon. Then Shivkumar Hosmat, working for Oracle as a software engineer. Anil Badiyar, Alstom India Limited. Then Suraj Patil, working for Aekas Private Limited in Belagavi. Ravi Sanadi, very ordinary guy with PUC 55%, but he achieved 6th rank to VTU from our department. Then he has cleared KPSC exam and working as a PDO near Chikkodi. Then Vinod Hulikoppe, CAE engineer at Mahindra Rise. So these are all our proud alumni, and so many are there who have excelled with BE Mechanical Engineering degree. So what is mechanical engineering? You can do anything. You can enter aerospace, then again railways, automotive sector, wind turbines, steam turbines, nuclear power plants, pump manufacturing. So many scope is there for mechanical engineering. So mechanical, you can also do softwares for designing the machines. Then you have opportunity to work as a computer aided engineer. Rafael is a product of mechanical branch. So then again see here, American Society for Mechanical Engineers, they have reported that from 2018 to 2028 there will be surely 4% rise in jobs for mechanical engineers. So then mechanical engineer can work as in these different profiles: marine engineer, then aerospace engineer, agriculture engineer. Then these are the investments in America in the next 5 years. Surely there will be employment opportunities for mechanical engineers reported by American Society for Mechanical Engineers. So then robotics and mechatronics are the new trends in our mechanical engineering field. Then after engineering you can join private jobs, government jobs, opportunity to work in BEL, BHEL, IOCL. Army, you can join Indian Navy, Army, Air Force. Competitive exams like IES, Indian Engineering Services, UPSC exams, KPSC exams you can appear. You can also pursue higher studies with a GATE score. Then you can also join research organizations such as ISRO, DRDO, HAL. You have also opportunity to become an entrepreneur if you pursue BE in mechanical engineering. So then Indian Army vacancies recently announced for mechanical and civil engineers, you can observe on the screen. Then these are the average package in lakhs offered by so many Indian organizations for BE mechanical. Then I told you these are the rank service and is a 6th rank holder for our university. These are the roll of honors displayed in our department. Laboratory facilities in our department, laboratory, then research facility. Then we have incubation center, means a Smart India Innovations India Private Limited, one company from Bengaluru. So it has opened its branch in our campus only. So wherein mechanical engineering students have opportunity to work for their industrial projects. And in the same company, one of our alumni, Manish Patil, had got placed in 2019. Now he is a project head in our campus only for this company branch. So then we have excelled with KSCST honor awards for excellency in the student projects. Then our students have pursued internship in various reputed companies like HL Bengaluru, NTPC Kudgi, Ekas Belagavi, and Pune. Then training and placement activities, we have very good scope for training our students for campus interviews. Experts from Bengaluru, Pune, they visit and train our students. Then industrial visits we do for our students. Then technical fests we organize. These are top alumni, I have already explained to you, proud alumni abroad. We do run PMKY courses for school dropouts. We show the social concern. So then staff details, many faculties are with PhD, pursuing PhD, then with MTech and qualification. Average experience of all the staff are around 10 years. Then these are our professors. We have also research publications in our department. Thank you. So my small advice after all this discussion is the crowd, many people are going towards CS branch and opting for only software engineering. Surely after 3 to 4 years there will be a lot of scope for civil and mechanical engineers, and competition will be heavy in computer science branch for campus interviews and other jobs also. So those who start entering mechanical branch now, surely there is a bright future for them after 4 years. So I request many parents and students to opt mechanical engineering. Thank you for your patience, for hearing my advice. Thank you.